கோவை மேல் நேயர்களுக்கும் வாசகர்களுக்கும் இனிய வணக்கங்கள். தற்போது இருக்கக்கூடிய காலங்களில் பெண்களுக்கான எக்ஸ்க்ளூசிவான காலேஜஸ் நிறையா இருக்குது. ஆனால் ஒரு 30 ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்திங்கன்னா அப்படி கிடையாது. மிகவுமே குறைந்த எண்ணிக்கையோட தான் பெண்களுக்கான தரமான கல்லூரிகள் இருந்துச்சு. அந்த காலத்துலேயுமே கூட ஒரு 30 இயர்ஸ்க்கு முன்னாடியுமே கூட ஆண்களுக்கு கிடைக்கக்கூடிய அந்த ஒரு குவாலிட்டி எஜுகேஷன் பெண்களுக்கும் கிடைக்க வேணும் அப்படின்ற விஷனோட ஆரம்பிக்கப்பட்டது தான் ஸ்ரீ ராமகிருஷ்ணா காலேஜ் ஆஃப் ஆர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் சயின்ஸ் ஃபார் விமன். சமீபத்தில் வெளியாகக்கூடிய இந்தியா டுடேவினுடைய பெஸ்ட் எஜுகேஷனல் இன்ஸ்டிடியூஷன்ஸ் ரேங்கிங்ஸில் அந்த ஒரு சர்வேயில் காமர்ஸ், சயின்ஸ், பிபிஏ மற்றும் பல பிரிவுகளில் இந்த கல்லூரி முதல் டாப் 50 அண்ட் டாப் 100 ரேங்க்ஸ் வாங்கியிருக்காங்க. இந்த ரேங்கிங் குறித்து இந்த பிரின்சிபல் டாக்டர் கே சித்ரா என்ன நினைக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்றத இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம்.
If you take into account the BBA and the commerce, we have actually improved our ranking from the previous year. If you look at what makes us to be ranked among the top 50 or top 100 institution, faculty is the backbone of every effort taken by our institution. We are also giving lot of current trends in the industries in the form of certificate courses. I am Chitra, Principal of Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science for Women. We are very happy that we have secured many ranks in the India Today National Level Ranking Survey. We are an institution with 28 years of academic journey, and it is a proud privilege for us to be consistently ranked among these top 50 and top 100 colleges ranked consecutively for more than 3 years now. If you take into account the BBA and the commerce, we have actually improved our ranking from the previous year. BBA and BCA has been ranked one among the top 50 colleges, and if you look at the overall category commerce and science, we have been ranked among the top 100 institution. While we are very happy about it, we definitely hope that we will keep on improving our rank in the forthcoming years. If you look at what makes us to be ranked among the top 50 or top 100 institution, I would say there are 3 stakeholders here. The very first being the student community, who has to put 100% effort into whatever we are dishing out to them. Second pillar being the faculty. If they are only consistently pushing up their quality, cadre and the way they reach out to the staff, then all our efforts will be successful. The third very strong pillar of our institution is the management support. They have been with us in whatever requirement we need for delivering a good teaching learning experience for the students. Faculty is the backbone of every effort taken by our institution. Like every other institution, we do have a good number of faculty having a PhD qualification. Over and above that, the faculty, though they have the PhD qualification, they come down to the level of the students and then take the classes in a way in which it is made interesting and understandable to them. The very strength of our institution is in the mentoring. We do a good amount of mentoring. Each faculty is allocated 20 students, and the 20 students are having a good liaison with the faculty. They interact with the faculty regarding their psychological issue, regarding any other issues apart from their academic career, issues, and also their future goals for the career improvement. This creates a very good attachment between the faculty and the students, and the faculty goes an extra mile to make the students very comfortable. Apart from this, we are doing a lot of experiential learning sessions, like giving the newspaper to them, having discussions on the newspapers, being it commerce, computer science, or whichever course it is. Relevant current trends are being discussed with them every day. Industry interactions are going on a large scale. If you look at specifically at the computer science, we are making the students to participate in hackathons with real-time experiences. Commerce students, if you look at them, we are providing internship where our college college has a flexible timing because of which the students are able to undergo live internship in the industries. This add on to the experience of academic experience, giving a real-time exposure to what is happening in the industry. Apart from this, we have signed an MOU with the Asia Pacific University, Malaysia, which provides us a lot of exposure regarding what is happening around the world. We have regular interaction with the faculty over there. We take the students for a foreign internship program, and we give exposure to the students both in the industry and the academia. All this have added value. Moreover, we are also giving lot of current trends in the industries in the form of certificate courses. This adds to the credentialities of our students, and I hope these things and many more initiatives which we are planning in the forthcoming year will take us to the higher ladder. Thank you all. Stay safe and stay secure.